Known for his tenacity, intellect and ability to work under pressure, Tom Brady of the Tampa Bay Buccaneers has been an ideal for his fans.
It'll be a 57-yard try from this spot if they pick up no more yardage. Brady goes for the deep shot. He's got a touchdown!
Playing in the National Football League, NFL, has given him fame and the love of fans from around the globe. He is an inspiration to many out there. Apart from his sports performance, Tom Brady hair transplant has been a topic that has made many eyes roll. Tom Brady is not only famous for his looks but a record holder. Tom Brady is a Hall of Fame quarterback and nothing less than a living legend playing in the NFL. Before joining the Tampa Bay Buccaneers, Tom Brady began his professional football career under the New England Patriots in 2000. Tom Brady performed spectacularly for 20 football seasons and won multiple awards. He won 4 Super Bowls with the New England Patriots, a record that no one could even come close to so far. One thing that made him a hot favorite of women is his flawless hair. Long, amber-colored, and sweaty mane that made women talk about him. When you get fame, you get noticed. The same happened with Tom Brady.
Tom Brady doesn't pass the torch quite yet to Mahomes, does he? Even though you're looking at the greatest right there.
On the one hand, when he was getting appreciated for his exceptional performance on the field, on the other, there were those who were more concerned about his thinning hairline. It soon grabbed eyeballs and became a sensational topic on the web.
I think it's really a lifelong commitment. I mean, I've been playing football for 18 years professionally, 5 years in college, 4 years in high school. I love the sport.
Did Tom Brady get a hair transplant? According to experts, Tom Brady did go under the knife. Many experts opine that thinning hairline is in his family, evident from his father, who has lost most of his hair. Experts say it was only a matter of time before Tom Brady would start experiencing the same hair loss, as it runs in his family. But as he showed hair loss signs, people began to fret about it. It took not so long before he came back with a terrific Super Bowl appearance, making jaws drop.
Tom Brady and Randy Moss have a good opportunity to set new.
Tom Brady has never been public about his hair. He has never discussed his hair problems or any procedure he might have undergone. If we track him from 2000 to 2014, he did experience difficulties with his hair, as his hairline was receding. In his photos, it has been quite evident that his hairline was thinning, as his hairstyles didn't cover his temples.
They're back in the lead in Super Bowl 49!
That was a big-time play, Jules. Championship play.
Clock still moving down to 36. Russell Wilson attempts the hands he has. Wilson quick no. And it's intercepted! Intercepted out to Butler! Butler has it at the 1! Oh my God!
But in 2007, his hair started to look comparatively fuller around the hairline area. If we go back to 2005, the football sensation appeared with a buzz cut, making Tom Brady hair transplant rumors come true. With his hairline starting to grow back and looking more charming than ever, journalists and hair experts couldn't help but notice Tom Brady's new avatar. Soon stories about his hair transplant filled the newsstands. He became the talk of the town. Though he never approved of any stories about hair transplants, experts are pretty sure he had one.
Brady works right now.
Got locked in now, laser focus!